Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making our own healthy, delicious breakfast sandwich, complete with our own homemade paleo bread. So we're going to start off by making the bread, which is great because it's freezer friendly, so you can just take them out whenever you want one. We're going to make our own buttermilk by adding in a couple teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to some almond milk and setting that aside. In a bowl, we're going to combine some cassava flour, which is a great paleo flour that's very finely milled and comparable to your normal gluten-containing flours, some baking powder, as well as some Himalayan salt, and then I'm adding in some ghee, which is clarified butter. It is considered paleo because they remove the milk solids on the top, but you can also use coconut oil. I just find that the flavor of the ghee works similar in breads that would otherwise use butter. So go ahead and combine the flour mixture with the ghee kind of by cutting it in. So if you have a pastry cutter, you can use that, but I don't have a pastry cutter, so I just mixed it until you get crumbles. I'm adding in our milk that we were culturing on the side with the apple cider vinegar and stirring that together. Now the batter will thicken a bit as you stir it, and if you leave it for about 2-3 minutes, you'll get a nice thick. Then I went and made 2 biscuits. So these are quite larger biscuits because they're going to be sandwich size, and we're going to bake them off, and I will leave all the directions in the description, but basically you bake them for about 14 minutes at 450 degrees. So then I'm going to cook an egg for our breakfast sandwich. So I'm cooking it in some ghee, which is a great form of either coconut oil or ghee would be great to cook your egg in. And I get a lot of comments about the yolks of my eggs, and that's because they are pasture raised free run eggs, so they have this really nice darker color, and these types of eggs are thought to have more omegas, more nutrients in them overall, and they're also more humane, which is great. I'm adding in some spinach to the base of my sandwich, so as you guys can see, the bread turns out great. I always like including greens. You could do kale or any kind of lettuce. I'm adding in some avocado for some healthy fats. So I do assemble these sandwiches day of as opposed to freezing the whole sandwich, just so that the avocado stays nice and fresh. And then I'm adding on my egg that we cooked. So I like kind of to do it over medium, but you can do over hard or however over runny, depending on what you like or how you're going to be eating your sandwich. But this makes a super great healthy breakfast, and honestly the sandwich bread that we made is so versatile. You could have any kind of sandwich with it, but I think it's really fun to have a breakfast sandwich because breakfast sandwiches are delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future ones, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.